Like, it's not easy for me. It has not been easy. Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time here, my name is Stella. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos. Click on that notification bell so you get notified whenever I post any new video. And for my returning subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. Thank you guys for the love. Thank you guys for the support. Honestly, I really do appreciate it. So on this channel, I talk about my life here in the UK, what is happening around me, and I share information. So in today's video is going to be a vlog. In fact, this whole video is a vlog. So if this looks like what you're going to be interested in, just sit tight, watch from the beginning to the end. So I'm going to be doing a cleanup. In fact, this is just one part of my house. Like, this is my sitting room. You can see it. So this is my sitting room. This is what it looks like during the day, because sometimes we spend our time here in the sitting room. Like, my sitting room is sometimes scattered, but it's neat. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? So, you know, because my daughter alone, when she make a mess, I try to clean my house, but the way she scatter it within 1 minute, I just get tired sometimes. I'll just leave it. That is why I don't even have a routine. Anytime I wake up is my morning. Once I wake up, whether it's 11, 12 o'clock, I don't even care at this point of my life. That's why when people be like, ah, I'll still like you're enjoying, I'll be like, you don't know what I'm going through. Me alone, I'll do cleaning, I'll do this one, I'll do that one. Like, it's not just easy. We don't look like what we go through, to be honest. Like, as a mom without any family around, it's not easy. So I'm going to start with this place. This place is a headquarters. Like, this place is where everything happens. Then from this place you transfer it around everywhere. So this is where her kitchen is. All her kitchen. I had to put this mini box. I had to put this mini box here because it's just so easy for me. I have a box storage upstairs because she has her toys too upstairs. She has toys upstairs. And this place, I just have to keep this small box because I just pack everything at once and put it, because I don't even have strength. In this same sitting room, I still have my son's, you know, where I keep his diaper just in case anything happens. You know, obviously they can open bowel at any time, and I don't have the strength to start going upstairs, go and get nappy and all of that. That is my own son's diaper storage or diaper bag. I don't know what to call it. Anyway, so this place is where I put every single thing. I put these things here because it's so easy for me to just pack. Just pack like this. So if you're a mom, how do you cope with all of this cleaning? For me, it has not been easy. My daughter wants to do everything. Like, it's not easy for me. It has not been easy. But this is my own short way of making everything sharp. Because with these children, especially when they poo-poo, I know what I'm talking about. You all need to get it, especially for the mommies in the house watching this. You need to get it. God, in fact, she loves cooking. This is my daughter's mini kitchen, whatever. It's so nice for kids. You can go check it out. Honestly, she loves it so much. She loves cooking, and I pray that when she grows up, she'll be cooking, because at this stage they want to do everything. If she's here now, she wants to clean, she wants to do that. But when they turn to teenager, it's hard work. They will not want to do anything, but it is well. Okay, I told you guys my house is neat. Not like it's too dirty. I won't say it's very neat, but at least it's not bad. You don't expect it to be sparkling when you have children that under 1 minute they make a mess. I just try to all the time. Like, all the time you see me cleaning. For those of you that don't know, I'm a UK healthcare assistant, so I'm used to cleaning. I like to clean. Not like I like it. It's not like something I like to do, but I just find myself doing it because we don't have a choice, and you don't want your kid to live in a very dirty place. So I just do this. I just make sure that my house is clean all the time, even though it's messy, even though it's scattered. But I try my best to make sure that it's clean at least. So I just arrange everything. I'm not good with arranging though, but I just arrange everything like this so that at least it will be a bit better. But obviously, whenever we come downstairs, my daughter starts, or should I say my daughter continue from where she stops. So that's just it. But yeah, I mean, I'm used to it. What can I do? Oh God, it's not easy, but I have my own way of making everything easy for me. And the truth is that for me, I don't have a particular time and when I do my cleaning. Any given opportunity I see, I grab it, I start doing cleaning. Like when my son is sleeping, my daughter is sleeping, and it's not easy because they don't sleep at once, but once in a while they just do, and once they do, I grab it. That is just the truth. And I try to get things that are washable. Most of my items, or most of the things I have in this house, are washable because, you know, with kids I think it's good for you to always get stuff that are washable, because they'll always make a mess, and the only way you can do is to wash it. And this is my mini heater. I don't know if you guys have seen it. I got this because, you know, with everything becoming very expensive here in the UK, we need to save up energy, we need to save up gas, we need to save up everything. I have small heaters in my house, so yeah, it's not easy, guys. It has not been easy. So if you're watching this, how do you cope with cleaning in your house? Because the way these children can make a mess, To be honest, at the end of the day, we just do our best. Because for me, I don't even like to kill myself. I cannot kill myself because I'm cleaning the house. I just do my best and leave the rest. Because my son is so clean. Whenever I want to drop him and start cleaning the house, he start crying. Health visitor was like, you don't have to like arrange your house, make it wow. Just make sure there is food. And even if you don't have food, or if you don't have strength to cook, or you don't have the time to cook, just order food and eat. That is always like that. I just encourage myself. Anytime I cannot get it, I'll be like, it's not easy. That's just what I used to encourage myself and be like, it's not easy, it's not easy, you're strong. I keep telling myself I'm strong, because honestly I am strong. If you're watching this video and you have a maid or you have any house help, trust me, you're enjoying, because it's not easy here, to be honest. It's not. At this point of my life, I think I'm getting used to it. With or without help, I am still like still surviving. I'm still strong. I still, you know, manage myself to do things, to be honest. So that's just it. So this place is just my steam room. After this place, then I'll go to kitchen, clean. So whenever my son wakes up and starts shouting, everything is going to stop. Then at least I've cleaned this place, and when my daughter comes, then she continues from where she stopped. Like I told you guys, this is the story of my life. So go check. It has happened. My son is up, so I need to stop here.
The next day.
So we're going out now for baby immunization. So we're going to the GP. And then after that, I don't know what I'll be doing, but today is going to be a busy day for me because I'll be babysitting. So good morning. Is it good morning? 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock is good morning, isn't it? Anyway, good morning from this side. Mama, say hi. Okay, so now we're going to the GP now. Baby is going to cry. I was told to give him Capol before leaving, because I'm sure it's going to be very, very painful. So yeah, we're going to the GP now.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer. Sober, sunshine on my shoulders. I'm alive and breathing, living my best life. Love is on my mind and it's making me high. I'm staying in this moment, though it's hard sometimes, but I work it out every once in a while. I feel the love, I feel it growing every day. I feel the love.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah?
I would like to sign in. I moved into the practice.
So I was just at the reception waiting for my turn to meet the doctor. So after meeting the doctor, I'll still meet the nurse.
there for the baby check and
Yeah.
for the immunizations as well.
Yeah.
So I'll do the baby check here, and then the immunization will be done with the nurse upstairs.
Okay.
And you've got the red book there with you as
Yeah.
well?
Yeah.
Let's look at the red book. Thank you. And this is the baby number 1 or baby number 2?
Baby number 2.
Baby number 2. And how old is the child?
Yes.
Have you seen any leaking when you discharge from the belly button?
Yeah. No.
Exactly. Something wrong. Good. Let's see how it into your eyes. Oh, bless you. He's taking the breast milk, okay?
Yeah.
So the doctor is just checking to make sure everything is fine, that he's growing well. I could remember when I had my daughter, I had to ask the doctor if she will have a bow leg, because when I gave birth to my daughter, she had a bow leg. But after doctor appointment, I was told no, the bow leg is not like strong. It's not going to affect her leg. And now my daughter is strong. She doesn't have a bow leg. So this appointment is really good. And I'm going upstairs now to wait for the nurse, because my son is having what's it called, injection. I can't remember, immunization. Yeah, so yes, I'm just here waiting for the nurse to call me. So that's just it. Hope you guys are enjoying this vlog, guys.
Is he ready for the feed? So and have you coped fine after having Stefan? Not had any issues with your mood or?
No. I think the first week I was really down, but not anymore.
Oh God.
Yeah.
It's stressful once you have a second child, because you got the first one still wanting your attention, then you need your attention.
So we're done, but obviously baby was crying. I was not able to film that part. So yeah, I'm just going downstairs to go straight to the car and go home. So yeah, we're done with today's appointment.
So guys, we're done now. Oh my God, it was something else. I felt sorry for him because he had 2 injections, and then he had another drop in his mouth. Oh my God, he was just crying. It's not easy. Like, watching him cry is really sad, to be honest. Anyway, so we're done for now. We're going home.
2,000 years later.
So guys, I just remember I've not ended my vlog. I came back from the hospital and I called my friend because I was supposed to babysit her children. So my friend told me that someone else is coming to the house to babysit for her. So I decided to cook my corn and also end the vlog here. So well, I'm about to eat my corn. I've come to the end of today's vlog. If you find this vlog interesting and fun, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe and share. Leave me a comment on what kind of video you want me to make, you know, stuff like that. And if you're in the UK, share with me your experience. How is it like, you know, with children and all of that. Well, I'm eating corn and I love this corn. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.